Hi everyone, so I'm here with the VOGE 900. It's 2 years old, and already in the beginning the brake fluid was very dark, but the braking was alright, except for the fact that it has a huge play, so like 3 centimeters. So this is a very bad brake pump here. And so I replaced the brake fluid 2 weeks ago with a brake fluid that's quite light in color. Now it seems a bit more brownish in the sunlight, but it's actually quite light colored. I noticed that after 2 weeks it got quite brown again, so not good comparison. And this container is a little bit tinted, but it wasn't this dark when we replaced it. So the braking is still okay. Please let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Is it okay? Do I have to bleed the brakes again, or what? On the bags out.